If x square plus y square equal z square, then log z base x log z minus y base x plus log z plus y base x equal to how much? Here log z minus y base x plus log z plus y base x. According to formula, log a base x plus log b base x equal log ab log ab base x. So log a means z minus y, b means z plus y. So log z minus y into z plus y base x. A plus b into a minus b a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So z square minus y square base x. So here given data x square plus y square equal to z, x square equal z square minus y square. So z square minus y square we can replace x square. So log x square base x, 2 into log x base x. Log x base x means log a base a formula equal to 1. So 2 into 1 2. Answer is 2. Again 2 log 5 by 8 plus log 128 by 125 plus log 5 by 2 equal to how much? Here 2 log 5 by 8 plus log 128 by 125 plus log 5 by equal to, here log 5 by 8 ఈ 2 ఇటు వస్తే హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అవుతుంది. అకార్డింగ్ టు ఫార్ములా log 128 by 125 plus log 5 by 2. So 5 whole square 25, 8 square 64. Log 25 by 64 plus log 128 by 125 plus log 5 by 2. Here log 20 a b plus log c. Formula log a into b into c అవుతుంది. So log 25 by 64 into 128 by 125 into 5 by 2. So 25 1 ja 25 5 ja 5 1 ja 5 1 ja 64 1 ja 64 2 ja 2 1 ja 2 1 ja. So log 1 వాల్యూ వచ్చేసి 0. Again log a base b equals c, then log a base 1 by b equal to how much? Log a 1 base 1 by b means b inverse అవుతుంది 1 by b. log a b inverse 1 by minus 1 into log a base b. So minus c అవుతుంది. According to given answer is minus c.